Hi, welcome back to Review Clicks. Introducing Ultimate Graphic Designing Bundle, world's first and only marketplace builder that gets you more clients, higher amount projects, builds your authority and kills the competition. Everything you need to create the perfect design. 10,000 plus premium social media banners of over 15 plus industries. What actually is Ultimate Graphic Designing Bundle? Ultimate Graphic Designing Bundle is a pack of 15,000 plus pre-made templates which are easily editable, i.e., CDR, PSD, EPS, SVG files formats. We have designed soft, clean, and ultra-sleek banners for you of over 15 plus big industries like spa and salon, hospital, gym, hotel, restaurant, cafe, immigration, travel, digital marketing and COVID-19, festival, jewelry, education, e-commerce, yoga, automobile banners. What you will get in this insane bundle? After accessing this insane bundle, you will get 10,000 plus pre-made social media banners with 1,000 plus inbuilt editable, i.e., CDR, PSD, EPS, SVG files formats, 20,000 plus premium OI files, 200,000 plus premium PSD files, 1,500 plus premium EPS files, 1,000 plus premium SVG files, 200,000 plus premium CDR files, premium and high demanded editable file. Choose the best plan between Graphic Bundle 1 Graphic Bundle Pro. Take advantage of this special offer right now before the price goes up. One-time fee, no monthly charge. Check the description for official link. If you go through my link provided in the description, you will get 75% off. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates.